Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching us on onespotmedia.com. The Ministry of Health is this evening rushing to strengthen protocols to tackle an outbreak of COVID-19 at the Golden Age home in Vineyard Town, St. Andrew. On the heels of the outbreak, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says a review of the measures in place at nursing homes and infirmaries across the island will be done. He was speaking at a press conference today. Fashion Brown has more.
A worrying COVID-19 cluster at the Golden Age home in Vineyard Town, St. Andrew. Most of the residents at the home are 60 years and older. Some also have comorbidities, so in other words, they're part of the vulnerable group. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says on October 15, a resident of the home received a positive COVID-19 test result. The 73-year-old resident became symptomatic on October 5. The symptoms include cough and fever. He was subsequently admitted to Kingston Public Hospital and samples taken on October 13.
72 samples were taken from the residents and staff, 61 residents and 11 staff members during this intervention. 46 of the 72 samples have returned positive.
Of the 46 positive results, 43 are residents and 3 are staff members. The residents are in isolation at the section of the facility where they reside, while the staff members are in home isolation. The minister says enhanced surveillance started on Saturday with testing and contact tracing at the section of the facility where the resident was housed.
We are fast-tracking, with the support of 2 mobile testing units, the testing of all 428 residents and 162 staff members. The target is to complete testing within 2 days.
The Health Ministry is also making arrangements for residents who may become critically ill to be transferred to medical institutions. Dr. Tufton says some measures will now be strengthened and new measures will also be implemented.
Restricted movement between the various residential areas at the home, strict enforcement of the no visitor rule, strict adherence to infection prevention and control measures, and there will also be strict adherence to mask wearing at all times.
In the meantime, as it relates to nursing homes and infirmaries across the island, Dr. Tufton says a review will be done.
This is, of course, the first major outbreak that we have had in the largest facility, not just in Jamaica, but perhaps in the Caribbean. And therefore, even with all the measures that are in place and have been in place, there has to be a review. One of the things that we have done in the past, which we may need to do a little more of, is random testing, to not allow so many persons to be infected before you have an indication that there is an outbreak.
He notes that random testing is done from time to time, but that may need to be done more frequently, especially in the vulnerable institutions. Fashion Brown, TVJ News.